Once again, welcome back to VSI Quick Learning program. Today we are going to perform another science experiment which is called can go. This is the can and this will go like this with the help of this rod. This is called magical rod. So let's perform this magic. See, this can will move like this. Isn't it a magic? Right, move this side. Come. Yes, without touching, without any external force, the can is moving with the help of this rod. Isn't it a magic? This was based on the principle of electrostatics, right? Everything possesses charge on itself, either be positive or be negative. Everything is in neutral state because they possess equal amount of positive and negative charges. As in we have rubbed this rod with this cloth, there was immense transfer of charges and the can started moving, right? Like this magic. Okay, without touching I am able to move this can. So this was all about electrostats, right? Thank you.